So this video is just to give you a bit more of an explanation about how the presentations are going to go on Friday. So the first critical bit of information is your group needs to meet for the first 10 minutes to set up the room so that you're ready to present at 10:30. So all groups are going to start presenting at 10:30, so we need to make sure that everyone is where they need to be and they're all prepped. So just to show you where your group's going to be, you would look at this link. And so, for example, if I'm in Clint's group, I'm going to be in room 141. So I'd set that room up, and at 10:30 the first presentations will start. So half of Clint's group will stay to present. The other half will move clockwise. So they'll move to the next room on the schedule. So if he's in room 140, they will move to 107 to listen there. So as you can see, Clint's group will move from his room to this room and then keep going around to here, 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 and in a clockwise direction. Okay? So the way to make sure our presentations are lasting the same time and the transition is really smooth is you have this timer. And so what you're going to do is when it is 10:30 and the first presentation start, you'll just click this and it will start rolling through. And so the first session will be 20 minutes and then we will stop. So your groups will go, if Clint's group's here, they'll go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then we'll stop, they'll go back to the homeroom. The group that listened for the first half will now present. And Clint's other students will go in the opposite direction, so counterclockwise. So they'll start from his room, and they'll go to Joyce and Atwood, and then the other way. So the point is that hopefully by the end of the sharing session, half of your group will have seen half of the presentations over here, the other half will have seen the other ones. If you're in sharing group 2, it's the same sort of idea. The groups are going to move clockwise the first way and counterclockwise the other. The only difficulty is once groups get past this one, okay, then they go to the aula because the tech crew is in the aula. So that's the key. It's in the this list here, so you can see which direction you go. The only thing that's weird is it's not a perfect circle because we have to go to the aula for the tech crew because they want to show what they've done in the theater. So if you're in session 2, please look at these, which room you're in, and obviously which room you move to in this order. Okay, and then finally the last thing is once the sharing sessions are done at 11:15, your groups will go back to the room where they started, and you can work through with them kind of a little reflection session. What went well, what didn't go well, and I would appreciate if they put some of these answers to their reflection on ManageBack, and they can use this time to kind of make sure their ManageBack reflections are really clear. Which days were they working on planning? Which days were they working on taking action? So that it's very easy for us to grade them in the end. Thanks so much for listening. If you have more questions, let me know.